Bluehost coupon code 2025. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the best Bluehost coupon code in 2025. If you're looking for cheap and reliable web hosting for your website this year, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the latest Bluehost promo code, how much you can save, and why Bluehost is still one of the top hosting choices right now. Before we dive in, make sure you click the link in the description to activate your Bluehost coupon code. This special link gives you the best Bluehost discount available today. You won't find a better deal anywhere else, not even on Bluehost's official homepage. This is your chance to save big on hosting with a few simple clicks. Let's start with pricing. Bluehost offers super affordable hosting plans starting as low as $1.99 per month for the basic 12-month package. That's a crazy good price for hosting up to 10 websites, and it also includes a free domain name, free SSL certificate, free email hosting, and more, all with just the basic plan. It's ideal if you're just starting out or building simple websites. But if you're serious about performance and security, I highly recommend the Choice Plus plan. It starts at only $3.99 per month and gives you everything in the basic package, plus enhanced security features, better performance, daily backups, and the ability to host even more websites. It's great if you're building multiple sites, running an agency, or just want peace of mind knowing your data is safe. There's also a dedicated e-commerce plan with powerful features like email marketing tools, SMS notifications, and WooCommerce integration. If you're running an online store or planning to start one, this plan gives you everything you need to sell online smoothly. Now, you might be wondering, is Bluehost really worth it in 2025? With all the web hosting providers out there, it's a fair question. But here's the truth. Bluehost has been around for over 2 decades and is officially recommended by WordPress. It's known for its speed, uptime, and top-rated customer support. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Bluehost makes it simple to build, launch, and manage your website efficiently. And when you combine all these features with the Bluehost coupon code in my description, you're getting unbeatable value. This is one of the best Bluehost deals we've seen in a while. Don't miss your chance to claim the best Bluehost discount code for 2025. Click the link in the description now to secure this limited time offer before it expires. You'll save big on hosting, get access to all the essential features, and you can try everything completely risk-free thanks to Bluehost's 30-day money-back guarantee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.